Good morning. I'm not sure who this is, but I opened up the curtains and was squeaking. Mr. Squeak. You are you Puddle Patch or Puddle? I really can't tell. Oh look, there's a bloke bird there, I see. It's very, very early. Yeah, bloke bird. AKA mouse starling. Gone. Oh. Sorry everyone, I have pulled my side out and I was in agony yesterday and still twinges today. I pulled the muscle out of my stomach. I'll see how I go today. I can't do any lifting at all. Some peonies. Hey, peonies. Peanuts. It's very quiet. You like them? I'm not sure who you are. I haven't got a clue. Are you Puddle? Soon see when Puddle Patch comes back. Oh. Don't know, she's up on the nest way over there, look. I think she's gone to sleep. Bless her, look. Yeah, she's fell asleep on those eggs. So who are you? Oh, Mr. Squeak. I haven't got many peanuts. No. Ah. Very, very quiet. It's only you two here actually. Flying in the skies. Probably all gone down the beach. Anyway, I'll stop it there everyone because I was about to walk out the door and I saw this Mr. Squeak. See ya.